In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Fluffy Mod Manager to easily manage mods in Resident Evil 7. Check my video description for these mods link. Right click on the mod manager and select WinRAR and select extract to. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop the extracted folder inside of the game folder. And now right click on the reframework and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this dinput8.dll inside of the game folder. And now open the mod manager folder, open this mod manager.exe, select more info and select run anyway option. In choose game, scroll down and select the Resident Evil 7. Choose game folder, choose the games install folder, navigate to the game folder and select folder option. Select the mod list, drag and drop the script core rar file inside this mod manager and turn on the mod. Once you're done, we have successfully installed the basic mods for Resident Evil 7. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this mod Ashley character as Mia. This gonna replace the Mia character. Once you download the mod you like, drag and drop the rar mod file inside this mod manager. Turn on the mod. Same way you can install lots of mods, but make sure to turn on the mod in mod list. Now minimize this and launch the game. As you can see, Mia character changed to Ashley and the mod works. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.